Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the E.T. adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. E.T. needs your help. Now, we've just received an urgent message from E.T.'s teacher, Botanicus, calling for E.T. to come home right away. You see, a big problem has developed 3 million light years away on E.T.'s home world, the Green Planet. E.T.'s friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what E.T.'s friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help E.T. find them once we get him home, and there's not a moment to lose, because only E.T.'s magic healing touch can save his friends and bring his planet back to health. E.T. must go home, and only you can help him. E.T.
Trouble.
That's right, E.T. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the Green Planet? You and E.T. will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with E.T., tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass.
Oh.
Sounds like E.T.'s ready to go. So good luck, everyone. And remember, E.T.'s counting on you, and so am I.
Oh.
It's up to you to save his planet so that he may visit us again.
What's your name?
Jeff?
Here you go. What's your name? Abby.
Express to the left, stand by to the right.
When you board the vehicle, please lower the lap bar to a snug position. Keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Always remain seated while the vehicle is in motion.
I think you took it. You took it.
What?
We've got some unauthorized people entering the base. Wait, they got ET! They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off! Get the pushing way. Why? The orange light. I see them. Come on, let's go. Whoa, watch it! They're getting away! Look, they're flying!
Home, home.
E.T. Go to Tickly. Hurry.
E.T. Go home. Tickly. Ouch.
Welcome home. You returned to
Or die.
Welcome home.
Mad dog.
You have saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
Attention! Please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the ride vehicle.